So good morning all of you. Today we will start with examples of our chapter number 14 statistics. So your first example number 1 is the marks obtained by 30 students of class 10 of a certain school in a mathematics paper consisting of 100 marks are presented in the table below. So what is given here? That the marks of 30 students in mathematics paper out of 100 marks is given. मतलब कि 30 स्टूडेंट्स के मैथ्स के पेपर में आउट ऑफ 100 कितने कितने मार्क्स आए हैं हमें वो गिवन है. ठीक है. सो फाइंड द मीन ऑफ द मार्क्स obtained by the students. So we have to find here mean marks. So you can see here. So this is a table given in which this first row is given here marks obtained by the students. So it is denoted by xi. Alright, ठीक है. जो मार्क्स हमें गिवन है स्टूडेंट्स के उसे हम xi से डिनोट करते हैं. This one xi. Clear? You will write here I in the base of x on the right side. So this is xi. 10 marks, 20, 36 marks, 40 marks, 50 marks, 56 and so on. Clear? And in the second row there are given number of students. Number of student is what? It is the, you can say it is frequency and it is denoted by fi. Clear? The marks obtained is denoted as xi or you can say it as class mark, and the number of students is denoted as fi or you can say it is the number of frequency. ठीक है. So you can see here जिन बच्चों के 10 मार्क्स आए हैं वो एक ही स्टूडेंट है आउट ऑफ 30. मतलब 30 स्टूडेंट्स में से एक बच्चे के सिर्फ 10 मार्क्स आए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट one student got how many marks? 20 marks. Next 3 students got 36 marks. ठीक है. इन द सेम वे हमें टोटल स्टूडेंट्स और उनके मार्क्स गिवन है. ठीक है. जैसे 40 मार्क्स वाले 4 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 50 मार्क्स के 3 स्टूडेंट हैं, 56 के 2. क्लियर? So we have to find the mean of this 30 students. Mean marks of this 30 students. So to find the mean, we have to require the product of xi with the corresponding fi. ठीक है. So mean find करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रोडक्ट करेंगे हम किसको? xi को उसके corresponding frequency से. जैसे सपोज करो कि यहाँ पे xi की वैल्यू 10 है and its corresponding frequency is here 1. So you should multiply first 10 with 1, then 20 with 1, 36 with 3, 40 with 4 and so on. Clear? So I will make here another table in which we write the values in this column. Clear? We have to arrange the marks and number of students in the given column. So first column you will write here marks obtained. Clear? And put here sign right here xi. So because the number of marks obtained by student is denoted as xi. In the second column we have write here number of students. Number of students which is denoted as fi. Clear students? So the first marks obtained by student is 10. Which is the lowest mark out of 100. ठीक है. 100 में से सबसे जो कम मार्क्स आए हैं that is 10. और वो कितने बच्चों के आए हैं? Only one student. So you will write here 1. Next 20 marks got by how many students? Got by only one student again. So write here 1. Next 36 marks got by 3 students. Next 40 marks वाले कितने स्टूडेंट हैं? 4. Next 50 marks 3 students. 56 marks 2 students. 60 marks 4 students. 70 marks 4 students again. 72 marks 1. 80 marks 1. 88 marks 2, 92 marks 3, and the last 95 marks having only one student. Clear? So now we will find the product of corresponding xi with fi. So again you put here, make another column in which you will find the product of Fi and Xi. So Fi is the frequency and Xi is the class mark. So the first you can see here 10 into 1. So 10 was 10. Please students, आप frequency को और उसकी class mark को multiply करो. So next 20 ones are again 20, 36 threes are 108, 40 fours are 160, 50 threes are 150, 56 twos are how much? 112, 60 fours are 240, 74, 280, 72 1, 72, 80 ones are 80, 88 twos are 176, 92 threes are 276 and 95 ones are 95. Alright, so we know that to find the mean for group data we have three methods. The first method is direct method, second one is assumed mean, and third one is step deviation. So we will find this question, to find the mean of this question by which method? Direct method. Direct method. So the direct method is x bar is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi. So summation fi xi. Now you have to find the total summation of this fi and xi columns. ठीक है, अब आप इस fi xi की जितनी भी वैल्यूज हैं सभी को टोटल करोगे. Clear? So what is the sum? And then you will divide it by summation fi. You also find the summation of this frequency. So we know that the total students are how much? 30. So its value is equal to 30. Also you can check here 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 14 plus 4 18 plus 4 22 plus 1 23 24 25 26 26 plus 3 is 29 and plus 1 30. You can see here 30 30. Clear? It means summation fi is total 30. Now you can add this 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 plus 6 18 24 29. 2 carry 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 6 11 11 plus 5 16 17 21 29 36 44 51 58 58 plus 9 is 67 6 carry 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So the total summation of fi and xi is 1779. 1779. Now you should divide this 1779 by 30. So it is 177.9 over 3. So first we will put the decimal point. Then 3 5s are 15, 27. 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. So the mean marks for the 30 students is 59.3. Clear students? So 59.3 is the mean marks of this 30 students. Clear? So this is your example number 1.